Keep getting the couldn't add fingerprint, try again error on your Xiaomi phone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix this annoying issue quickly and easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Before trying anything, make sure your fingerprint area is clean and there are no covers on it. Also, try to add the fingerprint as soon as the fingerprint add menu shows up. Solution 1. Check for hardware issue. To do this, first open up the Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Detailed Info and Specs from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the kernel version. Then quickly tap on it until you get into the CIT or hardware test mode. Now scroll down a little and tap on Fingerprint Sensor Check and see if it says Pass. After that, tap the fingerprint input test and see if that works. If not, it's best to send your device to the Xiaomi Service Center for repair. But before that, try out these solutions. Solution 2. Clear fingerprint test app's cache and data. To do this, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device, then scroll down a little and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Manage Apps from here. After that, tap the three-dot icon from here and select Show All Apps. Now in the search bar, type finger, then tap on Fingerprint Test from the search results. Next, hit the Clear Data button and then select Clear Cache from the pop-up menu. Then hit the OK button. Now hit the Clear All Data button and tap on OK. Next, if you see any other app with a fingerprint name, clear their app cache and data as well. Lastly, restart your mobile and check if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Factory reset your device. To do this, open Settings once more, then tap on About Phone from here. Next, scroll down a tiny bit and tap on Factory Reset. Then, tap on Erase All Data from here. Now, if you set a password and PIN, enter it here. Then tap the Next button. After that, tap the Factory Reset button and follow the on-screen prompts to reset it. Once you're done, the issue should be fixed. So that's how you troubleshoot the couldn't add fingerprint, try again error on Xiaomi branded phones. If the video provided to be useful, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. As always, thanks for watching.